Okay, so next we are taking part 1, this guy, and turning it into part 2, this guy. So I have part 1 pulled up here, as you can see, and I'm going to go to save as, and if I just save it as a different name, I can work on it without destroying the first one. See, all I did was change it to part 2. Save. Okay, so at this point we have this. We need to add the legs on. So we're going to add them basically just one at a time by drawing the right size rectangles. So start a 2D sketch, pick a plane you want to work on, and draw some rectangles that are 3/4 by 3/4. So 0.75, type that in, hit tab, 0.75, enter. You are done that sketch, hit finish. It's always a lot easier to do it one at a time, and we can extrude this, but we want 0.75, and you see the preview. Make sure it looks good before you hit enter. Okay. Now you can see the differences here. It doesn't look like that's quite lined up. So if it doesn't look good, you can zoom in on it and see that this is not lined up. So let's go back and fix it. Control Z is undo. Undo that whole drawing and start over. Now that time I made sure to line it up, make sure everything was green. Okay, and let's try to extrude it again. And looks much better. Let's look at the other side. Yep, looks much better. Okay, so I'm gonna click on front, and we just have to do that 3 more times. So rectangle, go all the way up to the corner, click on that, pull it out to about how big it should be, and type in 0.75, hit tab, 0.75, hit enter. Looks beautiful. So let's go ahead and finish that sketch and extrude it. Twist it around, make sure it looks good, hit OK. Okay, front view again. Let's do another 2D sketch. Hit rectangle. Make sure that's green. Pull it out to about the right size. Type in the correct size, 0.75 by 0.75. Hit enter. Make sure it looks good. Finish the sketch. And extrude. Twist around, make sure it looks good. Okay, and one more. Start sketch. Highlight the plane you want to work on. Hit rectangle. Go all the way to the corner until it turns green. Pull it out and 0.75 by 0.75. Enter. Turn around a little bit. We are going to extrude this. Finish the sketch. Extrude. Looks good. Okay. Save it. Okay, let's do save. Make sure it looks good from all angles. Oh, too fast. Yep. Looks good.